moms, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the baby / kid subscription boxes from Bitsy. This one is for the month of April and it is tailored for a 5-month-old, and I'm going to dive in deep to see what products they have and see how he likes them. So here we go. Alright, the Bitsy box. Box of April 2019. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Let me see. Alright, so this one is on the go. This one is for a 5.5-month baby boy. So the theme this month is on the go. I guess this is going to be for moms on the go and things that you would need while you're getting ready with the baby. So let's take a look. Let's see what the first thing we have is. A little container. My baby, he's not 12 months yet, but once we start, you know, packing him like little snacks, this definitely will come in use. And then the brand is, I think, UBBI. I like that this one has no BPA in it, so it's kind of safe to be able to use, and the plastic won't go into the baby's food. So I like this. It's a cute little one. It's orange and it has a little face. So that's kind of cute. I like that one. And then we have a little, let's see, a little tag-along chime thing that baby can shake and use. My son, he loves stuff like this, and he's teething right now, so he could definitely chew on this. And this is a little elephant, which I think is adorable. And that one's by Infinio. And then we have a little pouch. I'm assuming this one, you can just put things in this. It doesn't have anything in it. But Agu baby or Ago baby, which is really cute. You can put like your pacifiers and stuff in here, or little knickknacks in here to attach it to your diaper bag or stroller. Then we have a sippy cup for 6-ounce drinks. This one's cute. It's from Green Sprouts. I really like this brand, and they always have really good products. And then this one's easy to transfer or transition from breastfeeding, and this one's for a 6-month-old and older. So I really like this one. Oh, you can change it from a sippy cup to a flip top, which is really nice. I like this. And it's cute. And then we have Little Buddy wipes. So these ones are like antibacterial wipes, and then you get 32 of these ones. Fresh cucumber and tree are the scents, which is really nice, so it kills bacteria. So I really like this because you could be able to, like, as you can tell, I have a cold now. Kind of wipe down things as you go and wipe their hands. You can wipe any little areas on products that they touch or little toys that they touch, and they kind of get germs everywhere. So I really like this, and I'm going to put this in the diaper bag now because we're definitely going to need it. My son, he goes to a little class each week, and so he's touching things and transferring bacteria back and forth and germs back and forth. So I really like this idea. You can wipe his things down that fall on the areas that other kids are on or touching. So I like this. And then we have a couple more things in here. We have something from Earth Best Organic. This one's for babies that are in stage 2 of eating, so 6 months plus. So you have apple, turkey, and cranberry. So we're gonna have to try this one out. I always try his food before I give him things like this, and I have to make sure like the expiration date is all good. But we'll give this one a go probably when he's around 6-7 months. But that's nice to have in there. Try their products. And then we have a roll-up bib. These ones definitely come in handy when you're feeding your baby. So you can definitely throw this one in your diaper bag. This one's from XOXO Top. And this one's a cute one. I like this. Yeah, this one's easily where you can kind of just put this in your diaper bag and kind of go with it. And then this looks like this. Aww. And then they just give you some information on silicone bottles or silicone products for babies. So I guess it's just an information little packet, but that's pretty neat. I like it. This box is pretty cute. Definitely have some things that my son will enjoy in it. If you like that unboxing of the Bitsy April box for a 5 or so month old baby, let me know. I'm going to continue kind of diving into the products and letting my son explore them and see how he likes them. I like that this month was on the go, and it kind of helps me prepare for when we do have things that we do need to do on the go, and he could be occupied, or he can have his snacks, or he can play and not have to worry about germs and all of that stuff that came into the box this month. So we'll see how he likes to play with the items in there. If you're interested in more mommy subscription boxes or mommy products, baby products, let me know. Enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy your babies.